Hi everybody. Today I have my very first Try beauty box. And also I have a little surprise that I want to tell you about later on, that hopefully I'll be doing a video about tomorrow. Okay, but let's see what's in the Try beauty box. I have seen this box before and I've always wanted to try it, but I had so many other boxes and it was on my list. And now I eventually got around to subscribing to it. This is a every other month box, so that helped make my decision a little easier. Comes with the card that says December 2020 Dreamland with the products listed on it. Okay, first off, I see some more lashes from Lash Scoop because they're the same company. You can get a Lash Scoop subscription or you can get Try Beauty Box, or both, you know. But Lash Scoop is $11 a month and you get 5 pairs of lashes every month. I used to get this one, but I have so many lashes now that I went ahead and canceled this one. But this one is called Lagos, the style. It's pretty. Alright. And then we have something from The Balm Down Boy Shadow Blush. This sweet pink shadow and blush features light reflecting particles for an aura of elegance without detectable shimmer. Formulated with a finely graded powder, Down Boy helps create a smooth and even texture as quick as a wink. Alright, let's see how it looks. Oh, it has a little mirror on here too. That's cute. And there's the blush. It's certainly pink. Yeah, it's pretty. It's nice to have something that's a blush and an eyeshadow. Alright. And then, oh, from Iman. I like Iman Cosmetics. This is a perfect eye pencil. Okay, finally we get a brown eye pencil. We get a lot of black ones and sometimes a color like blue or purple, but it's rare to get a brown one. And I like to use a brown eyeliner sometimes, especially with certain eyeshadow colors, you know, with the warmer colors, or if I'm doing like a light daytime look, you know, I like to use a brown liner. Okay. The sharpener is still in the plastic. I can't get it out. Oh, okay, let's see here. There we go. I guess. Well, almost. Okay, good. So this is the cap with a little sharpener in it. And this is the liner. I bent it trying to get it out. But let's see what it looks like. Ooh. It's very soft. This will make a good lip liner too. Oh yeah, it smudges and it's soft and okay. So I can use this as a lip liner and an eyeliner. That's nice. And then we have from Sola Look. I think that's the name of it. It says 90210. That's a show I never watched. I remember it was really popular, you know, when I was younger, and a lot of people that I knew watched it, but I just was never really interested. But anyway, it says Brenda Hart Dillon Hart Kelly lip cream. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. And there's the case. Looks like a beautiful color. It's a red. Oh yeah. That's a beautiful red. Okay. Yep, this is my kind of lipstick color for sure. I might wear this tomorrow. Oh yeah, I love it. It's beautiful. Okay, I'm happy about that. Okay, and from Avant, this is hyaluronic vitamin C lecithin maris aqua jojoba oil. This is a moisturizer. Okay. This is Pro Intense Hyaluronic Acid Illuminating Day Cream. Retails for $134. Avant does make nice products though. The first time I tried one was in a glossy box, and it was a primer. And I really liked that primer. It was very, very good. And I used it up, as a matter of fact. So I know that they do make good quality products. So, and I had something else from them too, but I can't remember what the other thing was. But I've never used their day cream. So this will be a nice experience. And then finally, is the palette. We had a choice of palettes. One was a pretty bright neon type color palette, and then the other one was this saffron palette. They were both pretty, but I really liked the color scheme of this one. When I saw it, it was really beautiful. And it has a mirror. And these are the beautiful colors. Oh yeah. I have to swatch these. Okay, let's start from top to bottom. Okay, let's go this one, this one. Oh yeah, these are beautiful. Wow. See, they would go so nicely with this lip color. That's exciting. And then the next row, this pretty pinkish color right here, gold, and this color right there. Oh, wow. I need to do this one again. I didn't pick up so much. Okay, that's better. And then I'll do the bottom row, the deepest shades over here. Wow. This one is loosely pressed. So they have different textures too. Some of them have a harder pressed texture and some are softer. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, yeah. Okay. I'm very happy with this too. So for December, we got the Saffron palette, the Avant Day Cream, the Balm Down Boy Blush, the Mon Eye Pencil, which I will also use as a lip pencil, and the Lash Scoop lashes. Okay, now on to the surprise that I wanted to tell you about. Urban Decay has a mystery box out right now. It's not a subscription, but they have different variations of it that you can choose. It's still a mystery. You don't really know what you're going to get, but they have like clues to the palettes that might be in there. And it's normally $99, but they're having a site-wide sale right now. So I got one for $74.25, I believe. And UPS says that it's going to be delivered tomorrow. So of course I can't wait for it to come, and I'm going to make the video of it. But just in case you're curious right now, I recorded the web page so that you can see, exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so here it is. So here is the Urban Decay website, and I am in the gifts and makeup set section. And so you scroll down until you see these purple boxes right here. See? That is the mystery box. And as you can see, it used to be $99. But right now they're $74.25. Now where it says color, there's no real color here, but I believe the names are a hint to the palettes that you will get in the box. And each mystery box will have at least 2 full-size eyeshadow palettes, along with some other stuff. Now the one that's called the Sticky Sweet Mystery Gift, Sticky, I believe, refers to the honey palette, and sweet refers to the cherry palette, Naked Cherry. And then you have Hot Pop. That's the one that I have because I already have the Naked Cherry palette, and I'm not interested in the honey one, but I would like to have Naked Heat. So since that says hot, that's the one that I chose. And then they have, and this one is sold out. That's the Sweet Vibes. That one, I believe, has the Naked palette. I believe this one has the Cherry palette and something from the Stone Vibes collection, because Vibes is a hint to that. And then they still have Golden Pop Mystery. That's probably the honey palette, but I'm not sure because it doesn't say sticky. And then these are sold out. And they have Sweet Pop. Now this one is the Naked Cherry palette along with some other stuff. And this one is called Hot, Sticky, and Sweet. I believe that one has Naked Heat, Naked Honey, and Naked Cherry palette. So I believe this one has 3 of the Naked palettes. So, but not all of them do, I don't think. And these other ones are sold out. According to UPS, I'll be getting mine tomorrow. And of course, I will make a video of it and let you see what's in the mystery box. But since they're selling out so fast, I wanted to just pop this in here just in case you're interested in getting one right quick. Alrighty. Enjoy. So I hope you're as excited about it as I am. And I can't wait to show you what I got. Okay, that's everything. Thank you for watching. Bye.